James Hunt Center, the corporate headquarters for James Hunt Corporation, received the highest rating issued by the U.S. Green Building Council. James Hunt Center earned a platinum certification under the Council's LEED Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design Green Building Rating System, which was created to define green building by providing a common standard of measurement. The Platinum certification confirms James Hunt Center's status as one of the most environmentally responsible buildings in the country, said Rich Frederici, president of the CEO and founding chair of the U.S. Green Buildings Council. James Hunt Center combines innovative design and cutting-edge technology to achieve two goals: creating an exciting new workplace for more than 900 James Hunt employees, and setting a new standard in environmentally responsible architecture. Designed by the Stuttgart, Germany, and Los Angeles-based architecture firm Benish Apartment, James Hunt Center is a 12-story, 350,000 square foot building located in the Kendall Square neighborhood of Cambridge, Massachusetts, a world-class center for biomedical research and innovation. James Hunt Center's energy efficiency results from the building's extensive use of natural light. Concrete constructions, the use of waste steam from nearby power plant for cooling and heating, and an insulating second layer of glass covering 1/3 of the exterior. The installation of highly efficient plumbing is helping to reduce water usage. Garden areas, and in the top floor cafeteria with its sweeping views of Boston cityscape. James Hunt Center's designs enhance communication by encouraging informal meetings in the building's common space. 18 gardens located throughout the building help bring the outdoors in, and nearly 75% of the materials used in James Hunt Centers contain recycled content, and over 90% of construction waste was recycled.
The James Center is designed to be one of the most environmentally responsible office buildings ever built in the United States. From the earliest stage of the design process, James Hunt worked carefully to ensure that James Hunt Center would meet or exceed the highest standards for green buildings. The LEED standards framework for environmental design is based around 5 core areas: sustainable site development, water savings, energy efficiency, material selection, and indoor environmental quality. James Hunt Center combines sophisticated technology and innovative design to meet or exceed the requirements of each of these 5 core areas. James Hunt estimates that the building uses 34% less water than a conventional office building. The building achieves this water efficiency through a careful combination of design and water-saving technology. Dual flush toilets and waterless urinals cut down on water consumption inside the building, while moisture sensors in the landscaping reduce unnecessary watering, a significant factor in corporate water use. This center estimates that energy costs for the building are 42% less than a comparable building. The building achieves this energy saving through multiple design features, including a concrete slab construction that helps to hold energy building, and moderate temperature change in the building, a unique cooling system that uses waste steam from a nearby power plant to cool the building. and roof-mounted solar panels that were paid for in part by a grant from the Massachusetts Renewable Energy Trust. The energy savings are also aided by the double glass curtain wall that covers 32% of the building, which allows for both increased insulation and fresh airflow throughout the building. Furthermore, certain employee-friendly features such as operable windows and an extensive natural light enhancement system that allow 75% of all employees to work using natural light alone further reduce energy consumption. Genzyme's careful material selection process for the new building had two core goals: to use sustainable and, whenever possible, recycled materials, and to make sure that these materials meet to exceed the top national standards for the emission of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, which can create an unhealthy working environment for employees. Toward those ends, over 75% of all materials used in the building contain recycled content, and 50% of all materials came from local sources. Most of the wood used in the project is certified by the Forest Stewardship Council to ensure that it comes from well-managed forests. The focus of Genzyme Center is on providing a positive, healthy, and exciting workplace for Genzyme employees, so the quality of the indoor environment is paramount. Genzyme employs a sophisticated air monitoring system to ensure that the air quality in the building is optimal. Importantly, all materials used in the building, carpets, paints, etc., meet the strictest standards for VOC emissions. Other important employee qualities make the building a comfortable place to work: local temperature controls, operable windows, and views to the outdoors from every seat chief among them.
Creating a green building, one that sets new standards, is consistent with what we do every day as a corporation, said Henry E. Temer, Genzyme's Chairman and Chief Executive Officer. This is a truly special building that has generated a great deal of interest for its innovation, its striking design, and its progressive approach to the workplace.